everyone, this is Shadow Dragon with Team Shadow Airsoft, and today I'm opening the Airsoft GI Independence Day box. Got this for $170, closer to the 4th, not exactly sure when. I got here this past Friday. I'm opening it now Saturday, and we are going to get into this right now. So, I'm actually opening this with Squirrely Nuts Airsoft, not meaning he's right here, but meaning we are in collaboration opening these together. So we're going to see his video immediately after this. Or before this, we haven't decided. But I'm going to give a link to his channel down below. And here we are. All right. First things first, shipping label, which I cut in half. I know, not paper, but there is paper. All right. So, first up, Kalishnikov, USA. And pretty sure that's going to be it. So, out you go. And we're going to go ahead and open this. All right. It is an AK. And I already know what Squirrely got, so this is the counterpart to his. This is the, I'm going to guess the 104 non-SBR. Has a triangle stock. I messed that up. Full metal triangle stock, polymer body, polymer. So it's got a metal rail. Polymer everything really. Metal stock, metal rail. Everything else feels polymer, but a little bit of .2s, a speed mag, or speed loader, sorry. The mag, let's see which one this is. Okay, this is the 103S. Okay, so 103S. So overall, it feels okay. I know this is not the lowest of low, and it doesn't feel like it's the lowest of low. For a polymer gun, it feels good. It really does. And I'm an AK fanboy, so this works. It's to Tamiya. I can't do this left-handed, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not good at left-handed work. Some of y'all get that. But dust cover's not that bad, actually. I just know for a fact I can't do it left-handed. Now, there are some dust covers that are really bad to get on and off. That one's not bad at all. Slide. This is a slide hop-up, like most AKs are. Selector switch switches into each one good. And honestly, the mag feed for an AK is not bad. This is the just a Kalishnikov license mag, so shouldn't be any issues there. But yeah, next up, go check out Squirrely Nuts' channel. He should be premiering his right now, or he's already premiered his. We'll find out here soon. And by the way, Shadowland, September 30th. Make sure you go buy tickets right now. It's teamshadowairsoft.com. I also have mystery boxes on there for sale. If you want a mystery box, anywhere from $50 up to $1,000, where you get like custom guns or multiple guns. And you can always message me about those. Also, you can buy the event tickets there as well. Okay, it's September 30th. It's all pre-sales, really. And I also have a Hefe Airsoft Solutions code, which I'm going to link down below. It's a discount code, gets you 10% off if you use my code. But yeah, that's it, guys. This is Shadow Dragon. I'm out. See ya.